Hi, this is Ann Dunleavy, and we're going to do a quick tutorial on Pearltrees. If you're familiar with Pinterest, then this application will be easy for you to use. You can use it on your computer, but you can also use it on your mobile devices. So I've already set up a collection. Each one of these are their collections, and it is an easy way to organize your material. So let's take a look at this collection. Now the basic buttons here at the top are, this is going to take you back. This is going to take you, they call it the parent, which will be the next level up. Then how to add things, how to edit things, then the team and the sharing, and then your related collections. And these three last buttons we'll use at a different tutorial. Let's talk first about adding. There's lots of different ways to add things to your Pearltrees. Pearltrees are the idea that you have collections of things that go together, and you can arrange them any way that makes sense to you. So you can import, you can do web pages, you can do images, you can do files, and you can make notes. But I found one of the easiest ways was to use the web clipper. And I added that extension to my desktop, and I also have the app on my phone. So anytime that I am actually surfing on the internet, say I wanted to go to YouTube and I wanted to add, there's two ways you can add. You can see, where's my little guy? Here, there. You can see the star right there, Black Friday deals for educators. This is a video that I could add. So I could add it by clicking on that. And then it's going to ask me what collection I would like to add it to. And I'm going to go back down into Teachers. And then I can either go see it or I can close and continue to search. Another way that you can add a video is say that I'm on the video and I stop it. I can just click right onto the extension right here, and it will ask me where I want to put it again, and then I'll put that in Teachers. And then why don't we go back and we'll see where it is. All right, so it took me right back to where I left off before I went to the internet. Oh, I wanted to go back to import. Importing, you can import from all of these different locations, including my drive, and I have an example of one of those things. It's very easy to add when you go to your drive as well. So that all right, so it's starting to get a little messy here, so I want to organize this in a way that is easier for me. I'm going to, since I have two videos here, I'm going to create a collection, and I'm going to title it Funny Videos. And I'm not going to make any editorial comments at this time. Now I can put them into here just by clicking and dragging. Wait till it's small. There we go. So now when I go to Funny Videos, I have both of those ready to go. Now I could I'm going to go back up so that we can see all of the things that, again, in my collection. I have another funny video here by that same person. So now maybe I want to change that title, so I'm going to edit this. Now that is the title. Maybe I want to say from Jerry. And now that'll be all of his. So let's go up. So maybe I wanted to add another video. So I'm going to go here and type in funny videos. Funny teacher videos. And so I want to add this one. So I'm going to, whoop. I think it's got too many things going on. So I'm going to add it. And I'm going to put it into teachers. Let's go back. Now, here is, okay, so now I have two different sets of videos. So I can edit and I can make a new section which will be funny videos. And both of these sections, this is funny videos, but this is a whole collection from just one person. Okay, I'm going to go back up. Now I have another section here of memes that I got off the internet, and I just put them together. So I'm noticing that I have this connection here. Pearltrees also is a way for you to visually see and make connections. So I'm going to add a collection, calling it Star Trek Memes. Now, if I wanted to change the picture of the tile that would be on top of that, I can search the web. And I'm just going to I'll just click this first one. And it's changing it. Now I'm going to put this down in this section. Oh, I'll show you this landing spot. This is great because you only can see so much. So I'm going to put the Star Trek memes in this section here. And I'm just going to click and put them in. Oh, that did not do what I expected. So let's go back and see what happens. Okay. I'm going to put it in there. And I'm going to put this, I'm going to put this one in here. It's small. There we go. All right. As you are editing, you can pull things down to this landing spot, and then it makes it a little bit easier. Say I decided I didn't really want to have this note, I can just put it over in the trash, and then it's gone. I can add my memes to this group. Oh, here I have some GIFs. This is some flashcards that I added from my drive. Oop, that did not, there we go. But if I would like to have a different section for that, I would go to the add. No, I would go to the edit, sorry. And I'd create a new section, GIFs. And then I can just add my GIF to, you can see how it's highlighted and you can put it in there. Now on this side of the screen, this button here tells us about how to open that. And you can see, as with an educator account at pearltrees.com, you can get 2 gigs of memory. And you can take a look at histories. These are my 3 different collections that I have already started. And then they have some other things at the bottom that are useful, but I'm not going to go into today. You can also add collections to your collection through using the search tool. So say I wanted, let's click in there and do Star Trek memes. Oops. And then I would get some suggestions of where there are some other Star Trek memes that I can look at, and then I can add those to my collection as well. Well, that's basically the introduction to using Pearltrees. I find that it's pretty easy to use. Go back to my own and then go back up here. Oh, that's the back button. Go back here and go back up. It's pretty easy to use. I would suggest having some time to use it though for the first time.